Hi, you will never get better return from the SIPs if you make these three mistakes. What is the mean of that? The first mistake is that skipping of the SIPs. What is the mean of that? Because the requirement for the money, if you skip one SIPs, you will going to get return or going to get lose at least 10 to 12% from the return from the SIPs. The second most important thing is that you don't choose for the step up options. What is the mean of that? Every year the salary gets increased, but in place of increasing that SIP amount, you are increasing the EMI amount. So in that case also you are going to lose. Suppose every year you are increasing SIP amounts near about 10%. You are increasing every year. So at the end of a tenure, you are going to get 60% more corpus fund from the SIPs. And third most important thing is that please choose a SIP fund after you get the best advice from the advisors. So please choose your SIP fund as well as the advisor very wisely. Thank you.